Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Going for Construction. So in this today DiRoots tutorial series, we'll be discussing about the use of table generate tool here. Okay, so in DiRoots this tool is available. With the help of this you can import your spreadsheet, whatever spreadsheet or Excel data you are having. Okay, that data you can import into Revit as a legend views or scheduled views or drafting views. Okay, so you can export any Excel as a legend view either, okay, or as a drafting views. Okay, here you will be finding one drafting views will be created, okay, particularly to that data that you have used as an input, or if you want it as a schedule. Understood? So in three format you can import your spreadsheet data into Revit. So let's say we are having this Excel. Okay, for example, I am taking this Excel and this data I want to be in my Revit file. So I am having some room number, name, and count of sprinkler list, and I want this data into my Revit. Okay, so for that one, first of all, how much range you want the data to be, we can say, import in your Revit. First you need to select that cells. So I want this whole cells from this B3 to F61. So I have selected these cells in my Excel, and then I have to give this a name. Okay, this specific cells that I have selected, I have to give them a name. So here you can see now I have given a TR room. Okay, so without a space we have to give some name here to those selected specific cells. Understood? This is our second step. Now you can see here we are having sheet 1. If you are having multiple sheets, so you can create no issue, but while importing you have to select sheet 1. Now let's move to the Revit how you can do this. So here you can see right now we are having legends list, this much of legend and this much of schedules we are having. So to import the Revit data, Excel data or spreadsheet data, you have to click on the table generate, this one. Okay, then click on the add table. Okay, number of copies you have to select, how many number of copies you want to create. For now I am proceeding with only one. Then we have to select the Excel file location. So whatever location of this file, I need to select this one. So this is my file location, open. After that I have to select which sheet I want to import. Understood? So I am importing only sheet 1, not sheet 2. So only sheet 1 I am selecting here, so you can see sheet 1. After that we are having worksheet region. Okay, that I told you that you have to select the cells, whatever cells you want to import, and then you have to give that selected region some name here. So it will show you the name as per that. Okay, so TR room I am selecting for now. After that we are having legend views, means which kind of view you want to create with that particular spreadsheet data. So I told you that you can create either legend, either schedule, or either drafting. Let's start with legend view first, then you have to simply click OK. You can see legend view is added, apply. So in the legends, one table will be created. Okay, so I will show you. Here you can see in the legend sheet we are having this sheet 1001 as a new sheet that is imported with the help of the TableGen tool here from the DiRoots. So you can see the same data that we are having in the Excel, it is now available in the Revit also. Understood? And now as I told you that you can create, now it is available in the legend table. If you want to create it as a, let's say, as a drafting view, so you can create it as a drafting view also. Let's say again add table, select the same file, stadium, then this time we will be selecting it as a drafting view. Okay, apply. So now this time it will be created as a drafting view. So if you go to the views, changes applied successfully into the model. So if we will be going here, you can see in the drafting view we have the same Excel as a drafting view also. So you can create this Excel, import this Excel or spreadsheet, whatever you want, as a drafting view, as a legend, and as a schedules as per your requirement. Now also this schedules you can refresh from the updated Excel itself. Let's say here below we do not have any values, so for now I am updating the data with some values here. then control save to save this file. Again, if we are going into our Revit, then with the help of TableGen we can update the inputted data from the updated Excel file. So for that one, right now you can see we are not having any values here. Understood? So I am selecting this file, auto sync, and right click here, update. So you can see those changes will be available here. Apply. Okay, so this is how, if you are updating any values in this particular Excel, you can see the updated data in the Revit also. So it will take some time. Apply, finish. So now you can see the last rows also in Revit, the data are updated. Understood? So this is how you can update that Excel, and you can again update the data in the Revit itself again. So this is the TableGen feature that is available in the DiRoot. Okay, and then other than this, you are having some option to duplicate, option to open file, option to open folder, option to delete those files that you have added. Those are basic options that you can go through. So I hope this video clears your doubt regarding the TableGen. Thanks for watching the video.